Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Google Earth and loading your property list. This gets you from zero to mapped assets fast. Once signed in, import a CSV or KML with lat/long. Make sure coordinates match addresses to avoid misplacement. Then enable key layers, 3D buildings, roads, borders, and historical imagery because they reveal context and zoning cues. As you work, name each placemark consistently. It speeds filtering later and sets you up to analyze access, views, and parcel boundaries immediately. Now you analyze each site with measurement and annotation tools so you can quantify value. Measure distances to transit, area of lots, and elevation profiles. Once done, record sun hours and slope because they affect buildability and solar potential. Make folders by neighborhood, add photos and notes to placemarks, and use color-coded icons for status. Also compare historical imagery and 3D views to spot recent development or tree cover changes. This deepens your market context and informs pricing or renovation decisions. Finish by exporting KML/KMZ or recording a guided flyover to present to clients. These assets make your listings stand out. Share via Drive links or embed maps in proposals and include annotated screenshots highlighting access, views, and constraints. If something goes wrong, like misplaced placemarks or layer glitches, first check your coordinate datum and projection. Next, re-import corrected coordinates and clear cache before retrying. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves alignment errors and keeps your deliverables professional and accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.